Is the create button missing on the Spotify app? If you can't find the create button, it's not showing up or it's not working properly, in this video I will show you how to fix show create button on Spotify app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Spotify. Then here in this page you will move to above and you will click on profile. Then you will go to settings. After that, from settings you will find here content and display. You will tap here and then you will scrolling down until you find this sign of create button. You will tap here to enable it, and then as you see you will find this create button here. As you see, if it is turned off you cannot find it here, but if it is enabled then you can find the create button here. So this is how it works. Please don't forget